Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope we all had a great Christmas celebration. Happy New Year guys. I hope the new year is going well so far. Wishing you guys a prosperous new year, and this new year of 2024 we are going to win big at the end of the year. So guys, welcome back. On this channel I bring to you lifestyle videos, DIY, motherhood content and travel. So if you like videos like this, please do consider subscribing. Turn on your post notification button so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, in this video today, if you watched my previous video, I made a spring twist tutorial. So if you remember, I said I was going to use the spring twist on Serene's hair so as to put her hair in a protective styling for the holiday seasons, as I don't want to do much on her hair during the festive period, as she tends to disturb her hair a lot. So I always have to touch up her hair every morning, and in this period I don't want to do that. So this is me installing the spring twist. Sorry guys, the beginning of the video is not here. I lost some of my footages because I mistakenly deleted them, so bear with me. I hope you enjoyed this and you would love to try it on yourself as well. So let's get into the video proper. So when you take it up, you see it like this, as if it's one. I'll cover these holes later. All the spaces in between, I'll follow that side to cover it up so that it will look like one braiding that I made. So now I'm done with this. I'm going to have to sew it into the spaces that are left. So to create the illusion of making this hair one, I part the hair in front a little, then I'm making this one braid. Then I'll now fix the spring twist extension. I'll install it into it. So now I'm making this to create an illusion of making one spring twist. So when you're making it, make sure it's not too tight. Like this one, I think this one is too tight. I might need to loosen it. If it's too tight, it's very difficult for the spring twist extension to pass through the hair. So I'll reduce this so as to style her baby hair later. It brings out the beauty more when there is a little bit of baby hair. So this gel I'm using is to smoothen the hair so that it will not be rough. Sorry guys, I had to redo this because I mistakenly deleted the videos I already recorded from the beginning when I was making the other side. I'm going to do this illusion round just the way I made these ones. I'll start by putting in my crochet this way past my hair, and then I drag it like this. See, I go in with the next one the same way, this way, this way, then I pass my hair through, close the latch, tighten it. See, a twist now came out because the hair is not too tight, so I can tighten it. So be careful, I missed some. Do it this way. Pick your twist, make sure it's in the middle and no hair is left out. Then pass it through everything. Then you open the cover and pass your hair through. See what I mean? If you don't take time, you drag the extension, then you tighten it this way. You might pull back, but when you're braiding it through, when you're attaching this to the next braiding, it becomes becomes tight. You drag it. Now I'm done installing this. I need to braid this down so that it will be strong. I'm going to add a little hair to this and braid it down, and I'll do it around. I'm using the crochet needle to pass the hair through. So if you notice, I'm actually passing it through where I feel that it's too wide. So now I'm going to fix in the spring twists. So I'll be starting with where there's much space. She's a baby. Already the hair is already too plenty, so I'm going to be very strategic so that I don't put too much. I'll just put from here. These spaces where the braiding is showing. If I had known, I would have done this twist smaller than this. They're quite big. They were smaller, they won't have been this much. Actually, fixing these ones, it's not much of a work. It's the illusion that takes time, especially being a baby where she gets tired and starts being cranky all over the place. She tell you, I want to do this, I want to sleep, I want to eat, I want to. So guys, I'm done. I'll pack them up and also trim the back that is long so that it will be the same. It's not gonna be. Pack them like this and also up. I'm not leaving it down. Even if I'm leaving, it might be one or two strands. What do you think, guys? How is it? I didn't expect it to be this much. It seems to be too much for a baby because this thing from the beginning was too big. I think that's why. I want them to be the same length, so something like this. This is the outcome, guys. What do you think? Would you like to wear something like this? Pardon the fact that she's a baby. I'll try to make it look childish. By the time I'm done, it should look more like a natural thing. So what do you guys think? Is this okay? Sorry guys, everywhere is messed up. Serene was sleeping earlier. I had to bring the mattress outside. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you love the hairstyle and the video and would love to try it. Wishing you guys a prosperous new year with love, joy, laughter. We're all going to go into the new year, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and give the video a thumbs up. Yes! Say bye-bye, Serene. Tell them bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tell them Happy New Year. Happy New Year.